name is Richard, coming from a small town close to the Belgium border in Germany. Let me take you through. I'll show you some nice architecture, historical buildings, and give you a good impression. In the past, Monschau has been occupied by the Prussians, the French, and now the Germans. This is a well located in the market square and represents the history of the town. It was renowned for producing high quality fabrics and cloths for clothing. This is called the Red House and is now a museum, but was previously the residence of a rich merchant family called Schiebler. The main staircase has beautiful wood carved handrails and carved pictures representing the family history, including a loom or weaving machines in their history. These concrete defences that were placed here by the Germans during the Second World War are known as dragon's teeth. The main purpose for these reinforced concrete pillars was to prevent armoured vehicles and tanks crossing the border. My name is Richard. Thanks for watching. Bye.